Get driving. As a driving instructor, your students drive you. But when it comes to running your business, are you in the driving seat? Do you find yourself spending more time driving to cash points, to appointments, and handing out business cards than actually giving driving lessons? And what about the time you spend juggling all of your online directory listings to stand out from the crowd? We get you. Most brilliant driving instructors are hidden behind business names on directory listings, making it difficult for a learner to choose and find a trustworthy and reliable driving instructor. Introducing Get Driving. Get Driving is a driving instructor marketplace with a difference. Actually, a lot of differences. With our driving instructor finder, your profile is visible to hundreds of thousands of people, all looking for a driving instructor just like you right now. So, how does it work? Once you are on Get Driving, you can manage all your bookings and reviews from one place, so no more juggling. And with your shiny new profile and reviews, you can increase learner trust and confidence. We help you stand out from the crowd and get more bookings and even charge higher rates. And getting started just takes 2 minutes. Log on to Get Driving, create your profile, add your vehicle, select the areas you cover, set your hourly rate, then upload your picture and you're ready. Students search for driving instructors in the areas you cover and send you booking requests. Yes, it's that simple and free to create your profile. So create your profile with Get Driving now and watch the bookings roll in.